Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a crane heart. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now towards the crease, fold from both the sides and press it. Open the folds. Now form our triangle, maintaining the crease from one side and then the other, like this. Repeat these steps from the second segment. Okay, now turn it and again fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now fold it like this and press. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Now fold a leaf type structure according to the crease from both the sides and press it. Then from the other side, repeat the step. Open the fold and form a shape like this according to the folds emerging on the paper from one side and then the other. Now fold it like this. Forming the shape of the bottom corners. And press it. Fold it inwards. From one side and then the other. Now fold it upwards. From one side and then the other. Open the folds. Now form the shape like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now forming the shape like this. Fold it and press. Then from the other side, repeat the step. Hmm. All right. Now form the shape of the beak and the face of the crane like this. Then from the other side, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.